Hi, I'm Simon from Flint and Flame, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice simple dish using boned chicken thighs. We've got some linguine and we're going to make a fresh basil pesto. We're going to be using the 24cm chef pan and the 24cm casserole pan. Start by toasting your pine nuts in the chef pan over a medium heat. Keep an eye on them because they'll burn quickly. Add half your toasted pine nuts, 50 grams of parmesan, basil, olive oil and garlic, and blend. Put 3.5 litres of water inside the large casserole pot. You can use the markers inside the pan to help. Get to a rolling boil and add salt. Season your chicken thighs. Add your chicken thighs to the pan, skin down to get them nice and crispy. Once the skin is nice and crispy, turn them over and add your tomatoes and your serrano ham. Now pop your pan in a preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 180. Add the linguine to the large pan and simmer until cooked. Take the chef pan out the oven and place the chicken, tomatoes and ham to one side. Add your pesto and creme fraiche to a clean chef pan and mix. Now add the linguine, the roasted tomatoes and the remaining Parmesan cheese. Now it's time to plate. There you have it, guys. It's a nice dish, fresh ingredients, all made from scratch, and it's made nice and easy with the Flint and Flame pans that go from hob to oven to hob. If you're interested in a set, feel free to pop along to our website where you can buy them, and I hope you enjoy the recipe.